Let's drive if we get him a pillow.
I think so.
Hello guys. Welcome to another vlog.
It's not far from the house for sure, so we can get us.
Okay, so Rusty now.
Yeah, it's a fun place.
We are driving to my grandma's work right now.
It used to be that old Cimarron Depot.
And she works at
I saw that the other night when I was going home from your house.
Yeah, they've got a lot of
Infinity
people.
Truck Center.
That's a busy little
but it's in
hopping
Bakersfield, California. Oiled in
Okay, so I'll pick Cotton up and then we'll come to your house.
Okay.
And
all right.
And we just got to figure out how to get everybody home after that.
She has all these diesels that I'll be showing you.
She'll probably go.
I won't show you all of them, but I'll show you some of them. If there's
what about Douglas?
If there's some wreck ones,
he can go to Cody's across the street.
If there's some wreck diesels, I'll show you those.
Okay.
All right.
We'll have a good time.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay.
We're going out to drink. I didn't know that.
To drink?
Yeah.
Who's gonna be the driver?
You are.
Really?
Yeah. You think you can do it?
Yeah.
You think?
Yeah.
You sure?
I'm gonna be the driver when they drink.
No.
Never mind. Why?
Because.
Look at that diesel.
We're gonna have to find a driver.
Don't take Cody.
You can stay at Cody's.
Okay.
He's home.
Find someone that don't like to drink.
Well, what would be Rhonda?
She'll probably drink a little.
Not enough to get us. I'll stay sober.
What's sober?
Not drunk.
Okay. And call and check in when you get there. What is this diesel doing? Look at all those diesels. Woo! Lot of diesels. That's not her work though. Wait till you see all these diesels. Oh, look at that American flag. That is pretty. Okay, here's your mark. We're entering Infinity Truck Center.
Infinity. That's pretty good. You remembered our name.
There's that diesel. He's watching it. There's the other two diesels. There's some more back here. Ooh. There's that truck right there. Some cars. Those diesels. And then there's my grandma. I will be walking to her office and I'll pause it real quick. I'll be walking to her office and I'll pause it real quick. See you when I get to the office. Bye-bye. Oh yeah, live life with no regrets.
Love your life and live it with no regrets.
Love your life and live it with no regrets. Smile more.
No, you can't take it.
Look, they caught a while back.
Look at that.
In the middle of the heat wave.
Where you get it from?
Oh.
He come bouncing in the shop and I cornered him.
Will he bite?
Yeah.
Did he die?
No. He'll turn on you.
Baby.
Let me see how he look.
He's not oily. We thought he was oily because we only could see him from a distance.
I'll take a picture of him, Trevor.
I'm taking a vlog.
Say hello to my little friend.
No pictures.
Are you gonna take him home?
I'm gonna take him out by the pond.
No.
We've already caught him once when he was smaller.
Can we take him home?
And,
Grandma, can we keep him?
I called Calm and they just said that's just what they do when they're young. They just bounce around until they can fly. They call him a fletchling. So he's lost quite a bit of his fuzz now. He's getting feathers. So I let him go at the pond, and then we've been periodically seeing him bouncing around. And these guys are usually typically a lighter color.
Yeah.
And this guy's real dark. He's a barn owl, but he's dark. We thought he had oil on him. He couldn't fly, but
he's a barn owl.
Can I touch him?
Yeah, if you dare. I'll get my shadow of him. He's content because I got him on his back like this.
This motherfucker look like a real dude, huh?
Big eyes.
He look like Brandon.
Well.
That's the end of the vlog real quick. I'll do another vlog real quick.
He's
Hold on.
content. He's not trying to flash.
Love life.
That's why I'm
no
worried about
regrets.
his sick, is because like his breath.